Using USAA savings credits is a great way to save money and earn rewards on your savings accounts. To get started, you need to be a USAA member and have a savings account with them. First, you need to understand what USAA savings credits are. These credits are rewards that you earn on your savings accounts, and they can be redeemed for various benefits such as cash, gift cards, or discounts on other USAA products. To earn USAA savings credits, you need to maintain a minimum balance in your savings account and keep it active. The more you save, the more credits you will earn. You can check your account online or through the USAA mobile app to see how many credits you have earned. Once you have earned some credits, you can start redeeming them. To do this, log into your USAA account and navigate to the Rewards section. Here, you can browse through the various redemption options and choose the one that suits you best. For example, you can redeem your credits for cash, which will be deposited directly into your savings account. Alternatively, you can redeem them for gift cards from popular retailers or use them to get discounts on other USAA products such as insurance or loans. To make the most of your USAA savings credits, it is essential to understand the redemption options and choose the one that provides the most value to you. It is also important to keep your savings account active and maintain a healthy balance to continue earning credits. In addition, USAA often offers promotions and bonuses for its members, which can help you earn more credits. Keep an eye on your account and the USAA website for these promotions, and take advantage of them to maximize your earnings. In conclusion, using USAA savings credits is a straightforward process that can help you earn rewards on your savings accounts. By understanding how to earn and redeem these credits, you can make the most of your USAA membership and enjoy the benefits that come with it. Always keep your account active, choose the right redemption options, and take advantage of promotions to get the most value out of your USAA savings credits.